when we're trying to sing high notes, we have to create a lot of space in the back of our mouths, which is hard. It's hard to do. And so this is, I measured about 1 inch of water, which is supposed to be the right amount to create equilibrium in the air pressure under the larynx and over the larynx, so we don't force too much air between our vocal folds inside of our larynx. So we put the straw in the water and we cover the mouth of the cup, which champagne flutes are kind of perfect because the mouth is small, so your hand will be able to easily cover the mouth and completely seal so no air can escape. And we want to blow into the straw, and like the straw shouldn't be touching the bottom, but a little bit suspended in the water. And when we blow into the straw, we should feel air rush into our mouths, and the air pressure should push out our cheeks, and we should feel the same air pressure pushing against the back of our throat, making the soft palate go up and pushing the back of the pharynx or the back of the throat backwards. So the soft palate goes up and the base of the tongue goes down and the back of the throat goes back in this big dome open shape. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So we're looking for lots of stretchy feelings, and even on the inside of the cheeks that we feel the stretch outward. You feel it? For me, the air pressure is so intense I feel like I'm gonna gag, because it's pushing against my uvula and my soft palate. And I think your straw is all the way down though. You might be having, I don't know if it feels hard to blow the air out because of that.
Not in this case. I was definitely doing that before.
So now we could just try singing a pitch, and we want to like try to make sure the bubbles are not bursting like against, like your hand is getting wet because the bubbles are popping open. We want consistent, gentle bubbles. So we don't want the bubbles to disappear or to explode. And we're going to try and begin phonating now. So we'll make a sound, just like sustain whatever pitch feels comfortable, and see if you can keep those bubbles consistent. And at the same time that we're doing the bubbles, we're trying to keep that air pressure feeling, pushing the cheeks out, pushing the back of the throat open.
I can feel where the pressure is going. Uh-huh.
Good, good. So, what were we just practicing? Let's do that again. But with the straw. Let's take let's take from the deep pew. Do you think you know the pitches?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you're not going to sing the words, obviously. Just sing the pitches into your straw. Okay, but come over here so you can see yourself in the camera.
Sorry, I forgot that we were doing that.
And then Riley can play along for you.
Okay.
Try to keep, the most important thing is to feel the air pushing against the tissues in your mouth. That's more important than the bubbles and more important than what pitches you're singing. Although if everything went right, that would be great.
Right. Yeah.
But keep maintaining the stretched open feeling is the most important.
Okay.
You ready, Riley? All right, here we go.
Ready? Yeah.
Big breath.
Oh, yeah, spraying back home. Excellent.
Aww. Want to start again?
Yeah.
Same spot?
Mm-hmm. Try to get a better seal on this time.
Aww.
Hey, baby.
Kitty. the air pressure in your mouth. Yay! So, were you able to feel the stretch all the way through?
Yeah, I don't have a good. When I puff up my cheeks, it like the air escapes out the sides of my mouth.
Mm-hmm.
So I resist doing it. I don't mean to. It's just like.
But you felt in the back.
But I do. I very much feel it
the
in
back
the back.
is more
yeah.
important.
My mouth does that too. Sometimes I just put 2 fingers on the corners of my
Yeah?
mouth, and it helps keep my
Yeah.
the corners of my mouth closed.
Okay. Yeah.
But I don't know if
I
you
need
can.
a third
You don't
hand
have
for
an
that.
extra hand. Any
Good point.
questions about
No.
that
I
exercise?
need champagne flutes.
Too bad we don't have champagne in them to sip now.
Right. Yeah.